Hello everybody, it is I, Yo-Yo Dragon 100. And yes, I am a ninja. I have been acquired to associate with the Ninja Assassin Association. It's a very exciting, killing, assassination-y. Is that even a word? I don't care. It's a ninja word. Killing, exciting, assassination-y, sneaky, all that other stuff. It's a very awesome association. You get to kill things, assassinate things, sneak up behind and kill things, sneak up and behind and assassinate things, and who cares? Well, we've acquired this very surprisingly skilled opponent in the association. We've been trying to take him down for the past 2 weeks. It's said that he is a very skilled opponent, and he is trained in the art of kick butt foo. It is a very deadly and somewhat annoying when trying to defeat one of these. There's my ninja dog that just ran past. Well, this enemy is supposed to be very skilled, like I said before. But I will defeat him because that is my mission. Ninjas always accomplish their missions. Especially ninjas with fluffy hats. Because that's our thing. Well, I'm going to go and acquire this fiend and take him down and assassinate him. Possibly. Disguise. The floor is somewhat pinkish, so this should be a good disguise. I don't know if it's working. I got you. I got you. I got you. That's right. I'm kicking your doggy butt. I'm getting tired. I got it this fast. Ooh, there's something. Ah! Where'd he go? Ah! Right behind me! Alright. I got you now. Eat this! Okay. You're trapped! Phew. Now I'm gonna take you into ninja custody. Mission accomplished. I've acquired this. Holy crap, he escaped! Ah! Don't make any sudden movements. This time, I'm gonna make sure that you stay away. Ninja kick. Look out. Fetch bone, dog. Ugh. I think it worked. Well, I'll move that for you. Now go away. Crap, he came back. Back in the cage. This time, I'll make sure you don't get out. There. That's it. He's secured. I have accomplished my mission. And I bid you all a good farewell in a very ninja-y way with a smoke bomb.